Well, this is my apple orchard, and this is Bumblebee enjoying my apples in full bloom, which is a good sign because it tells me that we just might get pollination this year, because we certainly have some apple blossoms. Not a big orchard, but I have 26 trees here, and I have about 4 varieties of apples, and it's just a great pleasure to have this and to know that with the help of Mother Nature and all those bees, we're going to have a great crop. It's a moment. It's a moment in a gardener's life, and I hope you have one as well very soon.